8.5 foot, 9.5 foot Fisher XV2. These are the T-frame leveling carriage bolts, and it's very, very, very common for them to loosen up, causing the T-frame leveling to be basically variable, which can cause uneven cutting edge wear, premature cutting edge wear. I mean, if you change your angle enough, these things get sloppy enough, you can even change how the trip edge even works. But this will just make the bolts, you know, round out the holes more and more and more and wear the bolts. So the easy way to figure out, the easiest way is take the plow off the truck. And it doesn't have to be bad at first. Obviously, it loosens up a little bit. It gets worse over time. And you can even have just one side loosen up. But you see here, the movement between here and here. So you can't really just go and retighten them. I mean, first of all, there just isn't enough clamp load with these bolts. It's just too low of a grade bolt. But depending how long it's been, you'll see all these threads are all staved up. So when you go to try to tighten that, to retighten it, you're just gonna strip your nut. It's not gonna hold. So you need to buy new hardware. Well, for less money than Fisher charges for a new bolt and a new nut, you can get this kit. Much stronger bolt, much stronger nut, and the matching much stronger washer help distribute the load a little bit. This will give you like 41% more clamping load capacity than that. So those bolts properly torqued can give you like 20,000 pounds of clamping force. And these will bring you, I believe, over 31,000. It's 41% anyway. So you just swap them out one bolt at a time and kind of snug them up just a little bit. Put the plow back on the truck. Use a floor jack under the center of the plow T-frame. Level it like the manufacturer website tells you to. They have very, very good instructions on the website. And then tighten up the bolts as good as you can. And then take the plow back off the, unless you have a lift and you can get the truck up in the air with the plow, which not many people can do. Take the plow back off the truck and then torque it properly. You go from the factory 267 foot-pounds of torque, I think it is, all the way up to 376 pound-feet with the new bolts. And like I said, for less money than you can buy the Fisher stuff. So why would you even screw around with that? Very, very, very common problem.